Everybody, back with some war robots. So today we're taking a look at the merometz with Mahavajra and Vajra. So I ended up opening a bunch of the big crates 2 days ago, I think. Yeah, 2 days ago. And I won some neat stuff, and one of them was I won 2 Mahavajras, I won a Mahavajra and a Kraken Mahavajra. But we're going to be running this on the merometz, these weapons. Here's the modules. And, yeah, we're just going to jump right in. Also, I do have my Frozen Scorn with me instead of my Northlight, because I'm loving that thing. I don't know why, but it's just super fun to play. Yesterday, I did a live stream on the Sharanga with Mahavajra, so if you missed that, feel free to go check that out. I have played around a little bit with the merometz with this build, kind of seeing if it would do good or not, but I didn't really get to try too much. Ooh, this is actually going to work beautifully, I think. I'm going to start with my Ares. Considering it's an Ares, I don't know if we're going to survive long in it. Also trying this build out, which is pretty interesting. Heartbeat. Oh crap, look at that damage. That was actually really good damage. Heartbeat's almost dead. Oh, that Mars has that same build up. Okay, this Heartbeat is interesting. Oh, I can see it. I even used my healing to get extra damage, but it didn't work. That's fine. Oh, he's trying to hide. I should probably not go out because I'm literally focused. I don't have my feelings. Can't hit that guy. Is that a meter? That looks like it's a meter. I could be wrong. Ooh, wow. Look at that. That's some really nice damage. Gonna heal now? That rabbit can move out of my way. That'd be beautiful. Nice, we're hitting this guy. Oh no. Ah, stop it, stop! Oh, I'm dead. There we go. This Northlight got me. Alright, let's jump into our Harpy. I left both the Harpy and Siren in my hand because I wanted to. I rarely do that. But we got our Harpy with the Mason Hammer. Believe it or not, this build is actually really fun. And especially when you're flying like right above them and you fire down, it's like, it just does so much damage. And obviously with these weapons corresponding with your ability, it makes it 10 times easier. I can get 3 or 4 things, like explode things at once. Okay, that's a problem. That's a big problem. Oh crap. Come on, please capture the beacon. Yes, we got a beacon. Alright, our Titan's almost ready. We're using the Siren. This guy's about to have freaking like 6 bendy bullets firing at him. No less. Don't want to shoot that guy. I didn't want to shoot it because I had to keep going until it activated my stealth, which it did. It's fine. I wonder what this is. What's that? Something. Oh, it's a heartbeat. Whoa! I identified this as a robot. That is how my identification is. Oh, I forgot that. Okay, I'm going to potentially drop my merometz in a few seconds. I don't know why I said it like that. Also, for me to channel the city subscribe. Gotta mention it. Oh crap, heal. Oh, applied. Give me some sunglasses. Help! Alright, we're going down. That's fine. We have the merometz. This thing looks pretty mean. It's so Orochi. What do you feel? Alright, now I'm gonna EMP. Oh my gosh, freaking spell. God, these things are so good. Alright, now I'm gonna EMP you. What? Come on! Now I'm gonna EMP you. There we go. 50 years later, finally be able to EMP the guy. Dude, how much stealth is this guy? I'm actually generally... Okay, watch this. Jeez. Look at that. Got him. I didn't steal it, I was helping with the kill. Oh, that's really bad. That is really bad. Oh, that I'm gonna get killed. Well, that was a slow run. But we did get a kill, so that was cool. Teleport on Demeter, I'm Demeter, teleport on the merometz. You guys, if you ever see me mess up in like a video, like talking wise, got it. We're gonna drop our north light. If you ever really mess up, I make videos like practically when I wake up, so I'm still like half asleep. We dropped our frozen scorn over there. Hopefully we can do better in the next game. Geez, that merometz is getting smoked. This is probably my favorite weapon, my favorite medium weapon, and it's probably my favorite medium weapon. I don't know why. Just the hussars are just so relaxing to do and just watch them fire. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. That's an intro. That's oh no. That's a cracking intro. That's even worse. Crap. I don't think we're gonna lose this one. I think we're gonna lose this one. I think I have a pretty darn big shield. And then I have another one on top of that. My friend. I'm trying to hold this beacon down, but with a sniping Demeter, I don't believe it. Oh, right for us. We got a problem. We got a problem. See, this would be a very lovely time to end my merometz. Holy crap. Jeez. That guy just two-shot killed me. Alright, nice. We're gonna win to the shore. Oh, he's got the Mahavajra. Oh, we didn't just steal that gold. Yeah, I didn't steal it. I was helping. What's up, Bunker? Enough with the friggin' abilities. Gosh. Oh! That guy's getting whooped. Come on, Link. Got him. Yep, there we go. Nice. Nice. We might actually win this one. Looks like we're 5 counting. There's another Kraken injury. Bruh. How many do you guys have? Like, relax. Alright, we know you love like mythical creatures, but chill out. What are we doing? Okay. This guy's gonna be destroyed. Oh my god, dude, the transcendence of the Indra and the Lamina are just so annoying. So like you don't know when they're gonna trigger it, so you end up wasting some of your shots. We have this beacon. I just got a death. I haven't got a death in a long time. Ooh, that's a shell. Excuse me, it was a shell. A few seconds here. Come on, heal. Come on. Yes, don't kill. Where's this guy? Frozen Swarm. It also has corrosion damage, by the way. The Frozen Swarm does. Come on! Take him out! Oh gosh, we almost have this guy. He's gonna get his second flight though, I think. Come on, got him. Come on, bomb effect. Bomb effect work! Heal! Oh my gosh. Run! Help! Okay, I'm gonna save my action firing. Nice, we got him. We're actually gonna win this game. No way. Hey, we got the win! Nice. I will take that. I will gladly take that. Alright. 2.2 million damage, 4 kills, 4 beacons, 4th place. That's a lot of 4s. Whew. Nice. Alright, let's go into game number 2. Ooh, Rome. Starting with the Ares. This is just a very good map for the sniping Ares and for the Demeter, I think. We'll go this way. I usually go probably on that side, but we'll go this way just to see if we can do anything. But okay, I hope that guy doesn't see me, because well, that guy sees me. I can't do anything. I'm literally dead. No, I'm not. Oh my gosh! Okay, that didn't work. That's the one problem with the what the heck is this guy doing in this problem? That's the one problem with the areas. I guess with all the robots. Dude, I love how this guy thinks he's gonna get the beacon, but like, he's not. It's just so funny. I don't know how he got all the way over. Like, that's one question that I have. Okay, these guys are crazy. Oof, that was really good. Do that, do that bomb effect working. Oh my gosh, that's stealth. He stealthed and then he phase shifted at the same time. I think that was just me doing that damage. Okay, one goes up, one goes down. Where the heck? Why? Oh, that's okay. That's why I love this build. Come here, boy. Come here. Okay, I'm not sure if we're gonna take out this guy, but we will definitely try. Oh no, we're not taking him out. There's nothing I can do. Well, maybe that. Oh, I was gonna say maybe that Titan can be able to taking that guy out. No, link to the Python. There we go. Now we got it. Alright, let's capture this beacon. Oh, God, our Titan's ready, so we'll drop that. I think we'll drop that after my detector. Destroy it myself. I should probably do it. I'll just do it. Capture this beacon. We might have our frozen screen. Nope, it's 25% charge. Oh, that's it. That's working nice. Wouldn't recommend doing that though. Come on. Oh, are you kidding me? 99%. Okay. Now I got it. There we go. Also gives you healing if you haven't realized. So on the enemy side it freezes you and gives you corrosion. On the ally side or your side it gives you it gives you healing and a shield. So it's kinda like a mantis and a flowing fish kind of combined. I love how I'm in a 2 over. Absolutely love this. At least we're gonna get it on Titan. If I can get over here with my Titan, I'm pretty sure I have a good chance of at least killing one of these. But we're gonna drop it, so. See if we can survive longer than merometz. It's been a little while since I mean, it's only been since like yesterday morning, but for me that's a little while. Okay, these guys actually just stay in center, and I can go up. Oh, this guy's done for, I think. Well, no, because they're gonna go. Oh, well, that's just nice. Okay, this guy right off the bat, just so he can't deal too much damage. So I think I said this in my live stream, but I'll say it in the video still. One thing I love about these weapons is the fact that they get like a absorber, or not an absorber, cancel shield. I think whatever the yellow shield, like that, it's called Aegis shield. When they get that shield, you can just one shot. Oh, you can just one shot get that shit. No problem. That camper is kind of strong. Also, I probably need some healing. Alright, we're gonna have fun. Need this guy. Wow. That guy just absolutely smoked me. That'd be hilarious if I stole it with the Hussar. Oh, that's a Revenant. I'm like, why am I not doing any damage to him? Well, you see, sir, he's got a shield. If you can survive for like 5 more seconds, that would be really nice. Oh yeah, he's definitely surviving for 5 more seconds. Oh, why would you jump? Oh, he shot me that way. Okay, that's actually pathetic. That's really bad. You don't see me. You don't see me. Crap. I think the only way I'm gonna get back over there is if I teleport. Oh. Bro's got an entire kitchen sink thrown at him. Come on. Come on, wait. Just please don't jump. Just please don't jump. Oh, he's not jumping. Teleport! Yes! Aha! And what the? Where did this guy come from? Did he just like spawn? Oh, he's got the old shot. He's got squalls. He's actually killing this Minox. With the neutral with the other. Oh crap. Can we steal it? Can we steal? Oh, I was gonna say, can we steal that? Oh crap, I'm in an Orion. That's really bad. That's really bad. Heal. Yes. Hold on, Indra. No. Dude, I used my heal boost as soon as he went into his, like, transcendence mode or whatever. I think it's called dissipation. Or dissipate? I think it's dissipation is what it's called. I don't know how I'm still alive. Oh, sweet. We got a pepper present. That helps. Indra, hold on. I'm not joking. Don't go into the dissipate. Please stay with me. I got you, man. I got you. Try and get a frozen score. We almost had it. Are we gonna win this game? We might. We have 4 times. Oh. Ah, run! Thank you, shield. Thank you. Can someone explain to me how I'm still alive in this thing? God, hold on. Yes! Oh, I just ate that entire thing. No, why are you moving away? Don't move away. Alright, let's try and get a frozen score. Come on, dang it. No, come on. Come on! Oh. Okay, now we're being 3-capped. That sounds so weird saying that. Let's get rid of this guy. Frozen Scorn right there. I don't really care for healing. Not necessary right now. Hope got range on that guy. I don't know why I was shooting at him. This is the one thing I love about these heavy boards. We might not actually win this one. We have 2 beacons. I'm gonna try with this. Alright, sneaking does not work. Oh, crap. This one. I really hope a shield pops up. Please, shield! Yes! Oh no, I landed on top of the building. Okay, that's it. I don't think we win. Yeah, we got 1 player left, 2 people. What do we even have? I think it's a Typhon and a Zenith? Typhon and a... Where is it? Oh, a cat breed. Well, we had a cat breed. And that's game. So we lost that one. Which was unfortunate. Oh wow, I didn't do good at all. 2.3 million damage, 1 kill, 3 beacons, last. Nice. Oh my. Alright, so that is the merometz with Maha, Vajra, and Vajra. It's weird running this because I don't normally run shotguns on this Titan, but tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and it would help out. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Adios.